about to take off. Yeah, just in preparation, about to take off. I told you I'll be showing you anything I see of interest to us, my viewers. Should I say my followers, my family? We are now a family. Trisha MTV. Yeah. If you're new to the channel, keep watching. Subscribe. You can like. I'll keep showing you anything I feel that I need to see or to know. Yeah, so this is the seaboat. I'm on the seaboat. See the speed. It's so fast. As you can see, we're crossing the Pacific Ocean to the other side. So this is Vancouver. This is Vancouver. Isn't it interesting, guys? Technology at its best. Kila inchi na mambo yake. Can you imagine a bus on water? See the Pacific Ocean. We learned about this ocean in schools. So it's the reality, guys. God has given me a chance to get to see this ocean. I only learned in school Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So this is the Pacific Ocean. See the speed. It's more fast even compared to a ferry in Mombasa. Those who've been to Mombasa, you know how the ferry is. It's a bit slow. I don't know. I've never been there of late, so I don't know if it was improved or something happened. But the time I was there previously, the ferry wasn't this fast. This SEABUS is fast, faster than the ferry. You can see we're about to reach the other side of the ocean. Mine is to show you around. As you can see. See how fast this thing is. And the inside is so comfortable. Yeah. Carpeted floor, imagine. It has a carpeted floor on the inside. Very comfortable seats. It takes about 10 minutes, yes, to cross from one side to the other. It takes 10 minutes. I'll plan for a day, just come to inquire more information about this so that we even know how many kilometers are covered between the two distances from one end to the other. The two ends, not distances, the two ends, I don't know, the kilometers, I don't know how many kilometers between. But it takes 10 minutes to cross from one end to the other. As you can see, we're approaching the end, the other side, where we have ships. You can see the cruise ship. Yeah, cruise ships. Anasemanga at the dock, yani parking. Yani parking, tuseme ime dock. Ndio sasa tujione. can ask anything you want to know. I'll get back to you. At least I'll get to find more information about this, the distance, and any other information about this ocean. I've never found time to come and learn more much about it, but I'll create time, I promise, so that I keep updating us. It's good to learn these things, just to have the information. You know, we learn this in schools, especially high school. So it's good to get to see what we learned. At least when you travel, you get to see these things. But I'm sure we've seen even in TVs or on internet. But I'm lucky to have seen it real. Those are the cruise ships. And guys, by the way, this seaboat is part of the train. When you board a train and the last destination of the train, you get to enter this seaboat for free with the same charges that you used from the entrance, so you don't have to pay afresh. So it's part of, I guess it's part of the train whatever company, or should I say it falls in the same management, yeah, of the train. We have the Expo and the Millennium Line. So those are the two lines, train lines that I know. I guess this, not guessing, I know this is part of the Expo line, because I boarded the Expo line from wherever I came from. When I alighted from it, it's when I got on this bus to the other end to meet a friend, Kenyan friend of course. The lady seated next to me, she's here, a sister from Kenya. So after meeting her, we boarded this bus back to downtown. We have some errands we want to run with her. Then we go home. She stays on the other side of the ocean and I stay on this other side. But for me, it's not on this other side per se. When I get on this other side, I have to take a train again. In fact, 2 trains. I take a train to some place, then I connect to a different line of the train. Yes. But for her, after lighting from this boat, she just walks to the house. It's not far from there. So that's a cruise ship. That's our cruise ship. Yeah, what's the company of the ship? Not rated. Princess Cruises. Princess Cruises. As you can see, Princess Cruises. I promise to be showing you what I feel we can share. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, watch to the end, subscribe, like, and you can share. And if you are returning subscriber, welcome back. Keep watching, and you can leave a comment as well. Yeah, I told you I'm back now. I've been away for some time because I was so busy running up and down, and as I told you, sometimes you're so tired, not even in good frame of mind to record a video, and sometimes not even in a good how do I say it, not in good shape, and generally too. Hauna mind power, you're so tired, you can't even record a video, you're not even well dressed for the video sometimes. Though it's not a must to show yourself in the video like this one. My interest was just for you to see the seaboard and the Pacific Ocean. My interest wasn't you to see me, but it doesn't harm anyway. So you've seen, I've shown you the seaboard, I've shown you the cruise ship from the Princess Cruises company, you know. Now guys, we reached the destination of our seaboard. So this is the final destination of our seaboard. So that's where it docks. Inasimama hapo. Those things you see, those are the entrance. Hizo gates, those are kuingia, and on the other side za kutoka. We have the side for entry and the side for exit. So hapa ndio inasimama. Is our seaboard gets to the final destination. So let me show you as we get out of it. So keep watching my videos. I'll be bringing you more and more things that I feel we need to know or to learn. Yes. Guys, tumefika mwisho. So this is how it looks on the inside. You can see carpeted floor, no dust. The floor is cool, you see, and because of the carpeted floor, it's not noisy. It's so cool inside. So that's why I'm recording this video, because I know it's not that noisy, other than just noise from people. And it's so interesting. As you can see, we got to the end. I'm now exiting, as you can see. So here we are. You see, I told you about the train. I told you it's under the train management. You see it. We have Canadian Line, we have Expo and West Coast Express. But we also have another one, Millennium. So for me, when I'll be leaving this place to where I stay, I'll take the Expo line. Then I connect with Millennium Line. Then I'll be home. Once I alight from Millennium Line, I'll not be boarding any other train. That will be my final destination. Then I walk about 10 minutes or 9 minutes to the house. Yes. So this is the final destination for Expo Line. So this place is called Waterfront. This is the final destination of that Expo Line. Waterfront. So once you alight here, this is the end of it. So bye guys. See you. Keep watching and subscribe if you're new to the channel. For returning ones, thank you so much. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Seaboard Station waiting to board the seaboard to the other side of Pacific Ocean. So here is the seaboard. Waiting to board. As you can see, it's just like a ferry, but now this one, it's only for people with seats. Inside, I'll show you inside. This is just the entrance. As you can see, people are getting in. I'm also getting in the seaboards. Yeah. So that's how the seaboard looks inside. Yeah, you can see. See the seats? Twende huko nyuma. Wow. Guys, you can see that's the Pacific Ocean waters. Yeah, here's the seaboard. People are still getting in as we are waiting to take off to the other side of the ocean. The Vancouver downtown, the other side.
There, because we don't have much of a
Mhm.
see this.